Jamaica. Yo. So it's November the 4th, 2020. Well, pan the Gregorian calendar. On the Hijri calendar, which is the correct calendar, the year is 1442, day 18. Now, a whole heap of things are going on. Them say 2020 is the year where the most record break in our history for both Donald Trump and him election and Joe Biden and him election, and the hurricanes them were actually created in that year. Plus the release of the COVID-19 virus for depopulate the world. So yeah, it's a record for a whole lot of things, and the record not done yet. More for come. Now, basically, when I make this video, I say I have a whole lot of work for my hands, people. So if me now, you know, see no video come up on the channel, just know say me a whole heap of things upon my plate. But in reality, what we are gonna talk about is that Donald Trump is going to win this election. And it don't matter if him lose or him win, or Joe Biden lose or him win. Because both of them are play for the same team. Them just split in a two groups and I play ping pong with each other, and them know how them fix the game, and you, the citizens of the world, and everybody who follow it up, basically, so unconsciously, you are the ping pong ball in between them games. Same with majority of the government, them in the so-called free democratic world. Now, basically, him a going. And what is going to happen after? Yeah, more problem for the life. At the next stage in this life, we have Prince William, which is going to govern the whole where them consider for them, which is the western side of the world. You see, them a fight over in the Middle East and them a try make Muslims seem like say them evil and put out all of them thing here with about the beheading people. We no need to do some research, you know. These people where them a send out to go kill other people, which is them own citizen. And MK Ultra them use pan them, you know, the MK Ultra project, you know. So no need to wake up and no need to do some research pan them thing here. These beheadings and so-called terrorist attacking at the France and are going to church and stab up people and yeah, MK Ultra people. No do some research. Now, as me say, Donald Trump a go win. Prince William a go be the next man where I go control the whole entire, in a sense, I go want say I control the whole world. But only in a film imagination. And he will be the one to pass on the rule of everything and to the Antichrist. Him a the one where people are going to say, oh, it's Jesus then, oh, it's God and ray. Yeah, Prince William is the gate man for this. So what happen to when I get lead in a one pen to get slaughter and if we become slaves and go to hellfire because nobody don't care about Allah. And who fool no life, fool no decision. But me just come out to say that and make you know. Me gonna release more on this soon, so stay tuned. But Donald Trump a go win. And it don't matter if him win or him lose. Because on still I go be puppet. Joe Biden a pedophile. It is clear. But nobody don't care. So it doesn't matter who win or who lose. Uno both a play a game where the devil have uno under film control. Illuminati control uno. Through the music, through the TV, through the government, through the them private sector organizations, through them companies and them world health organizations. Yeah, Illuminati control uno. This is no actually know. So Jamaica, yo, stay tuned. More for come.